Welcome. This time we are going to talk about R projects in RStudio. Project is powerful, convenient and efficient way to organize work, especially when working on multiple tasks or collaborations. Using projects help keep files, data and settings organized by setting up self-contained environment with its own working directory. Let's see how to create a new project in RStudio. So to create a new project, we have to click File, then New Project. And it will bring us a new box where it is asking for creating a project in a new directory or in an existing directory, or using asking to use version control. You have to choose. Normally we will choose new directory. So if I click new directory, that will give me the opportunity to dedicate a new directory for this project. We can have different projects. These are a matter of discussion in later videos, but now we will go for a new project. So let me create a new project. Let me click the new project, and we have to give the directory name. But before that, we have to make sure where the project directory will be placed. So let us click browse here and then select documents and rpract. Okay, so this is the place where I want my project folder to be hosted. Open. Okay, now I will give a name for the directory where the project files will be contained. So let me give a name, sunflower, just a random name. I will keep the default settings. Okay, now click create project. So now you can see that a new project has been created, and the working directory has been set to this new project directory, which is within document rpract and under that sunflower. And in this folder we only have the rproj file here. Okay, so if we want to start working, now we can create a new R script and start working. Let's say we want to see what is the result if we add 2 with 12. Okay, so let me press Ctrl Enter so that it is executed. Now let me save it. Okay, and you can see the default directory is sunflower, and I'm going to save it. And you can see within the files tab in this panel, you can see we have got a new R file. Now even if we close this one, okay, later on whenever we click this one, the script will be open because we have already saved it. So that is just a basic. So later on when we when we do so many things in the project settings, we will be able to understand more. Thank you very much. I hope that you have understood. See you again.